Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Nokia 2660 Flip. 16 years of era, it's back again with a beautiful elegant design in the market. 2.8 inches pixel display, 0.3 megapixel Vga camera with no selfie sensor. Unisoc T107 Processor. The King is back with 1450 mAh battery, 20 days of standby time, 128 MB storage, 48 MB RAM. Large tactile buttons, smooth flip navigation, friendly interface. Best experience while talking on phone or using the Nokia 2650 Flip. Microcard supported up to 32 GB with torch and FM radio. Built for ease with big buttons, easy to use. And available in red, blue, black, lush green, pop pink colors. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.